If the blower control board is not sending power to the blower motor, check for voltage output from the board while the system is calling for the fan. First, verify the thermostat is actually commanding the fan by observing the system behavior or measuring 24 volts at the G terminal while fan, air conditioning, or heat is called. Next, measure the board output to the blower motor with the correct mains reference, which will be either 120 volts or 240 volts depending on the system. While the fan call is active, use a true root mean square multimeter and take safety precautions by keeping one hand away from live circuits and using insulated tools. If you see 24 volts at G but no mains output to the motor, trace wiring and connectors for open circuits or burnt terminals before assuming the board is bad. Also check the blower motor capacitor and motor windings for continuity and correct microfarad rating, because a failed capacitor or shorted winding can prevent the board from supplying power or can trip internal protection. Finally, document readings and sequence of tests, so a technician or parts supplier can reproduce the fault and avoid replacing parts unnecessarily. Common mistakes include assuming the board is bad without confirming the control signal, which you avoid by first measuring 24 volts at G while calling the fan. Another frequent issue is misreading voltage due to not switching the meter range or using the wrong reference, so always use a true root mean square meter and the correct mains reference when testing board outputs. A third problem is replacing the board before checking external components like the motor capacitor or safety interlocks, so always test and verify capacitors, motor windings, limit switches, and door or pressure switches before buying a new control board. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we and other members share diagnostics tips, trade experiences, and project recommendations.